Welcome to PrepLoop Java Series. In this series, we are going to learn Java step by step in a very simple and beginner-friendly way. This series is designed for students, freshers, and anyone who wants to build a strong foundation in Java. Before we start with the Java lessons, let me quickly explain what you will learn in this PrepLoop Java series. We will start with core Java from zero. So even if you are a complete beginner, you can follow along easily. Then we will move to OOPS concept, which are extremely important for real world Java development and interviews. You will also learn exception handling to understand how Java errors and how to write safer code. Next, we will cover collections, which are used in almost every Java application. And we will also learn important Java 8 features such as modern coding concepts used in today's projects. And throughout this series, I will focus on interview level understanding, so you don't just learn Java but also learn how to explain it confidently. Along with these theory videos, I will also run a separate Java coding practice series where we solve real programs step by step. So let's get started with Java. Thank you.